Magsayo, a flurry.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. July 11, 2015, naganap ang unang pagdepensa ng ating undefeated prospect na si Mark Magnifico Magsayo kontra sa undefeated prospect din na Mexicano. At sa laban na to, ginulantang ng ating kababayan ang bansang Amerika sa sobrang lakas na pinakita niya. Yan ang pag-usapan natin sa video ito mga pre. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga videos ko. California, USA. Ito ang pinakaunang pagtapak ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo dito, pero di siya nabigo at nagtagumpay na dipinsahan ang titulo. Sa press conference bago ang laban ng dalawang fighter, nangako pa itong prospect at undefeated na Mexicano na tatapusin daw niya si Magsayo sa loob lamang ng 2 round. Pero sobrang kabaliktaran ang resulta ng hula niya. Dahil unang round pa lang, eksaktong 2 minuto, bagsak na ang undefeated na Mexicano at nadungisan ang malinis na record nito. Sa laban na to, bit-bit ng undefeated na Mexicano na si Yardley Suarez ang record na 13 wins at 8 dito via KO, habang si Mark Magsayo naman ay may malinis na kartadang 11 wins at 9 KOs. Sabay nating balikan ang nasabing laban at panoorin kung paano nagulpi di gulat ang kalaban.
Ito ang kalaban ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo na taga Mexico, si Yardley Suarez. Very impressive ang kanyang record, 11 mga first round, mga 1-rounders. That's very active. Yeah, that's very active. Nakita natin siya sa weigh-in na talagang tip-top condition, palabang ng fundamentals. At alam mo, nakakatuwa siya dahil nag-enjoy siya ng todo dito sa Amerika. Pero hindi siya very big test for the very young Mark Magsayo.
I've sparred with Mark Magsayo, and he is a very smart fighter, strong and fast, like Rose.
He is undefeated in his campaign in the ring with a record of 13 wins, no losses, 8 wins coming by way of knockout. Please welcome the challenger tonight, making his U.S. debut, the undefeated Yardley Suarez. He is undefeated as well in his campaign in the ring with a record of 11 wins, no losses, 9 big wins coming by way of knockout. Please welcome one of the young stars of boxing, the undefeated IBF Youth Featherweight Champion, introducing Mark Magnifico Magsayo.
Pagtunog ng kampana ay birada agad si Mark Magsayo. Niratratan, pinaulanan at pinaliguan ng suntok ang kalaban at talagang nagulantang sa lakas ng ating kababayan. Bumagsak ito pero nakabangon.
Pero this is a really malaking test para kay Magsayo, who they say was magnificent in sparring. So good kaagad siya.
Because of the nervousness.
Good left-right combination, malakad Magsayo. That tells a good statement early on. Importante yung mga unang laban.
Well, it did solidify how good the atmosphere and the body Magsayo.
Solid. Did you see that body shot? Wow. That's the power, huh?
I'm very impressed right now.
Oh, whoa.
Very impressed with Magsayo. The way he's painting, the way he's looking at the opponent, Arthur's very good left hook again.
Oh, solid.
Oh, very good. Very aware kasi malakas ito si Suarez eh. With his record. Oh, good overhand down. Wow, what left hook.
What a machine. Mark Magnifico Magsayo. A flurry and
Now the good combination of
is down. Unang round.
Pero matapos nakatayo at bilangan ng referee ay inundayan na naman ng suntok na tila walang kapaguran at walang katapusan. Tumba na naman ang kalaban at tinigil na ng referee ang bakbakan.
beautiful fight. Wow, I am very, very impressed with Magsayo right now. Very impressed. Oh, and a backflip.
Kaya ang hula ng kalaban na tapusin daw niya si Magsayo sa loob lamang ng second round ay talagang kabaliktaran dahil unang round pa lang ay tapos na ang laban.
I was very worried. Worried ako kanina because nung nag-sparring kami, he gets really wild. And then down, but then huminto siya, and then he's starting.
Na ito, Magsayo. Look at that physique too. He's a hard worker.
Now he wants to learn to speak properly.
Yeah, I know. Sabi niya sa akin, okay, panoorin muli natin nito, ang demolition job.
That was after he hurt Suarez, and then he went in to finish him with combination. And nakita mo naman ang lakas ng tinapo ni Magsayo. Not only that, it's in volume.
Tama.
Suarez, and then the finishing put him down.
Confident. Woohoo! At ito, hindi na tinigilan ni Magsayo.
Although that was the uppercut that got Suarez.
Matagumpay na nadepensahan ni Mark Magsayo ang IBF Youth Featherweight na titulo via first round KO.
The IBF Youth Featherweight Champion, Mark Magnifico Magsayo.
The combination from Magsayo, up and down, and then the final uppercut, and down goes Suarez. The referee stops the fight.
Good call by the referee.
I think he was very hurt, and at any moment in time, baka masaktan lang eh.
Alam mo, hindi ko akalain na ganito ka ikli ang
Shout out kay Lini Valdivieso, Aljon Davis, Vincent Sagarino, Jerome Di Mapilis, Kyrie Irving, Pons Napigkit, Bear Nales, Royce Templado. Ingat kayo dyan pre at maraming salamat sa panonood.